Thumbs up from the refs.
We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off controllers. 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're off. The Royal Engineers shooting, missing. The Brobdingangian Tritocephalic Brainstem Robotics team accurately placing 3, hoovering up more artifacts. Nope, they missed the gate. So they're going to come back and look for another spike marks. Mechaneers, 31657 from the far side. Do not appear to have shot, but they certainly got off. So the gate seems to be stuck on the blue classifier. And that was because one of the controllers had slipped and jammed in there.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
10 seconds to go. Blue Alliance ahead by 40 points to 21.
3, 2, 1.
All right, let's cheer for the Blue Alliance. Brobdingangians again, clearing the gate. Is there an issue with the classifier? Not yet. They shoot. They score. 4 artifacts in place in the blue classifier. 3 more. Their partners, furiously responding, Royal Engineers, shooting from afar. That was just a beautiful arc and flurry of artifacts landing in blue. Red, not to be outdone, answering. The electrolytes putting things in place for the artifacts to be scored. The Mechaneers feeding their robot 31657. That's the tallest robot in the field. Placed a little interference, but a little bit short. Landing 1, 2 in place. The electrolytes even up the score a tiny bit. But at this point, Blue Alliance is ahead 150 to 80 and pulling ahead. I see yellow signs or calls on both blue and red at this point. 23-1-2. The Blue Alliance coming in, clearing the ramp again, the classifier ramp. And they score 2 purple. 2 of them bounce out, 2 of them land. They are right back at the gate. The red robot there hoovering up as many artifacts as they can. Mechaneers also feeding it in the red loading zone. But in the red secret tunnel, the red robot was taking full advantage of what was happening. Not a lot of artifacts flying high here. Everything pretty much accurate. Not a lot of, well, I jigged myself. A lot of calls on red at this point. 22-3-1-2 goes into par at endgame. Are they done? They're going to keep their advantage. They're not going to risk much here. Royal Engineers trying to move, land 1 more. They go in for the parallel partial park there. Mechaneers in place. And 30686. Can they touch the red line? I think they did.